15 to 18 grand.
If you want to bring it over here, you can.
Stop at the shitty points, I guess, or front and back of them.
There's the kind of start of the belly. One of them. Probably about the other end. Yeah.
Is it a drop into the main?
No.
Straight to the side of it?
Yeah, but that in itself was probably a few. There was major pitch right there after the end of that.
So the belly went like that after?
Main, drained, bellied, fitting. It roller coastered. Bend. Looks like a 45-22 or something.
Shouldn't have to do a new tap though.
Shouldn't have to do a new tap now.
Why does it have so many bends?
Feels like it should have just been pretty well straight.
Yeah, I mean, it curved a little bit. I mean, based off their digging, but it's not like it needed to.
And another belly. Oof.
Second. Yeah, you're good. It's just doing the thing. Is about to go.
I mean, the slightest little belly, but that's not even. See all of that.
I don't know how this house hasn't backed up if it had.
I know. Because you can tell they ain't had to auger it much, if at all. The pipe itself looks beautiful.